Hey. Yeah, things escalated. The reason why I made this video, you recently already saw the stop motion video I made with paper clips. I really like doing it. It took me a very long time as well. Too much time, many said, many were right. Not only did I move the paper clips, also I made the sound effects in the video. And I thought it would be funny to go over how I made these sound effects. The thing is, I haven't made them yet. I filmed this video before the other video, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make these audio effects. First things first, let's watch the video together without sound, and we are going to write down the things I need for this video. I already wrote some things down, but let's go over it together. So the first thing you see, oh, this is sound. I already made the audio track with music, the music track. I'm a professional, I know what I'm talking about.
Shut up.
So obviously first I drop the paper clips, so I need to add a sound of the paper clips falling on the table. That's the first thing I wrote down as well, so all good. Then of course you hear rain falling. You also saw some lightning, so I want to add some thunder sounds and some lightning sounds. Yeah, of course the water is moving, so I'll add waves as well, maybe some sound of wind. Birds, you see birds, so I'm going to add sound of birds. Then you hear wind hitting the bush. Yep, wind hitting the bush. Then you see the bird coming, and here will be like a bark, and that's the first indication that there's a dog in the basket. If you haven't watched that video yet, this whole thing doesn't make sense. So you should probably watch the stop motion video first. More barking, maybe some rustling. Is that the fucking word? Rustling?
Rustling.
Rustling. I don't speak English, I'm just trying. Where's the video? Oh, here it is. Some footsteps, probably. Walk, walk, walk. Sounds of a kid cheering, like a kid laughing, a kid playing. Barking, more barking. The sound of a stick that is being thrown. The sound of walking again, and the sound of someone snoring. People moving up the stairs as well. Like it's different kind of walking, maybe like wooden stairs, they creak a little bit, they crack a little bit. I don't know these words, okay. The sounds of someone waking up, I don't know how to do that, maybe like
Why are we still here?
Anyway, some running. Rain, purple rain, purple rain. The dog whining, stopping,
Chopping.
building a house, entering a door, closing a door. And that's it. Those are the sounds I have to make. Yeah, so let's try to do that right now. And now I'm going to show you the full video without any music, so you can really hear the sound effects. Enjoy!